Hey guys, Aaron here, and I want to do a quick video on how to fix this error that you may be seeing in WordPress. It says destination folder already exists, installation failed. And what happened for me is I switched hosting accounts. I was with free hosting, they were horrible. So I switched over to DreamHost. I'm not trying to endorse them or anything, it's just who I switched to. And in the process, I lost all of my data. But it was not a lot, so I just kind of went with it rather than trying to deal with free hosting because they were just terrible. So I just went with it. But now when I go to install a plugin, I'm getting these errors. And so the solution is you have to actually go into your hosting account and delete the folder manually. So I'm going to hop over to my hosting account, which is DreamHost. Like I said, you got to go down and find your file manager. And then once you find that, you'll have to find the plugins, which in my case on DreamHost, I have to go under my website. I click on that, and then I go to content. And yours may look differently. I'm not sure. This is how it looks in DreamHost. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content on websites. And then you go to plugins here. And then all these different plugins here are ones that I had before and they're no longer there. So I'm going to show you like Jetpack here. If I flip back over and I go under installed plugins, and we're going to open that in another tab so I don't lose my progress, you will see that it's not here. And I already had to follow this progress, this same thing for the WooCommerce plugin. And so there is no Jetpack. So I'm going to flop back over here, flip back over, I should say, and I'm going to go click on Jetpack, and I'm going to click delete. And then that'll delete that out, and then you can go back over and install it. Now, earlier, this DreamHost was giving me issues, and I was actually timing out on me. So we'll see if it does that this time. Hopefully not. But either way, once you delete that out, that solves your problem. You can flip back over and you can install it, activate it, and you are good to go. Hope you found this helpful. Hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content.